For the repair of Siemens oil burner controls, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we use a lamp for the fan output, a LED for the ignition output, two switches, a light sensor, and 220-volt DC power supply. By turning on the power supply, the unit reacts accordingly, and we can see the lamp of the fan output lighting up. Then we turn on the switch and we can see the lamp of the ignition lighting up. When the light sensor is working, we can see the third lamp lighting up. No further testing is possible due to lack of additional units. The same process was repeated for the other items. It is now clear that the Siemens oil burner controls are working successfully and they are ready to be delivered to the customer.